ngoba kunezinye izizwe kufuze senze njani, senze ngokufanayo nazo lapho umzilikazi adlule khona. Sabe sesithi ke eyona biggest reason is that nje abanye bafisa ukuthi isizwe sikamzilikazi sithathe sifaka ngaphansi komhlaba ukwenzeka ingane azange siphile, zange sibe khona, silabantu asikho, asexist. It is important for every South African to understand ukuthi even eyabe imali kunzima ukuyixoxa over the past 150 to 200 years without mentioning the name Kamzilikazi. So if you are struggling to legitimize isizwe sakho, the best example of history is to utilize history yakho, whether yimpi, whether ukuhlobana nomzilikazi, kodwa istory sakho, i-narrative yakho kufuze benjani idlule kwigama likaMzilikazi, ukhokho wesizwe. Nangamabhunu nawo ekho esithi bona abazi ndaba yokuthatha umhlaba okulwisana nomhlaba ngaphandle kolwisana nomzilikazi. Kusho basho ngomlomo wabo nje bexabana nomuntu wonke eSouth Africa, kodwa bayasa-identifya thina ukuthi singabantu abane-history abayisherayo nabo. Benzani? Bazama ukulegitimize isizwe sabo lapho. Take a page out of that. Take a page out of that. As anybody that wants to legitimize their own part of history. But history has no blank pages. Ngizama ukuthi qhakathekile ke sakhe ama-relations regionally lezizwe. Njengoba la manje sesiseZambia, eZambia sithe sisafika inhlonipho esiyithole lapha zange sayithola ngisho ekhaya. Ngitshela ukuthi ngiqamba mama. Ngoba labo i-legitimization yabo ihambe ibe nolobhekula phakathi. So they understand ukuthi bangakhuluma i-history yabo ngaphandle komention nolobhekula, they only affect isizwe sabo kuphela, but they've got no history beyond their borders. That is the legitimization ekhuluma ngayo. So akathekile ke siqalise ukubonisa abantu ukuthi kunama-South African heritage sites that we talk about isizwe sakithi. We exist, we have always existed. Zange sinyamala sigcine sesiyenyinto sihlala singamahlabi singumthwakazi singumadabelelende. Futhi sizohlala for another couple of 100 years and 1,000 years siyinto yinye. Asibambaneni, sithandaneni, sisebenzisaneni. Bahlala izulu amahle. Mhlanje ke siyasahlala sathi hayi akhe sicele kuThixo uma lusolungileyo ukuthi asikhokhele ngoba izinto ziningi, abantu baningi, inkinga ziningi, izitha ziningi, futhi nama blessings azayo maningi. Ake sithathe ithuba senzeni sicilini kwabafundisi abasikhokhele kumkhuleko ukuthi isizwe siphuhluke sibambane. Sabe sesicela ke ubaba uMkheswa, sathi Mkheswa ingane zakho kuyanetha, sicela indlu sifake emzini wakho. uMkheswa wathi Khumalo kanti ubulindeleni, what were you waiting for so long? Wavuma. So in our recent inputs and comments in the white paper on immigration raises a pertinent overemphasis of colonial borders as protectors of the regional development instead of looking at the cross-border cultural relations or as spearheaders of the regional cooperation and sustainable development. Cultural relations must form the basis of our regional integration and economic development. Angazi mana ngiyayizwa le ndaba. Ngithi yini bengiseMalawi, ngaphuma eMalawi ngangena eZambia. Ngiqhamuke eMzansi ngangena futhi eZimbabwe. Ngaphuma eZimbabwe ngangena eBotswana. Lapho inye into esihlanganisayo iculture. Iculture, ihistory, iheritage. So the longest street eBotswana, just a simple example, is Lobengula Avenue. Nangu lo Bhengula. Nangu lo Bhengula. Ngiyaphinda ngiyanitshela awukhona ukukhuluma nge-heritage ne-history ye-Southern Africa ungakhulumi ngesizwe sakithi. You can't. It's impossible. Uzobe uqamba amanga ngoba even umfundisi uzongitshela to leave out a fact oyaziyo mawukhuluma iqiniso lakho ngamanga. Labo bafisa ukusivalela ngaphandle basifaya ngaphansi komhlaba ngabantu bamanga. Ningabavumeli. Ngizama ukusho mfundisi. So let's just keep that in mind. Cultural relations must form the basis of our regional integration and economic development. Our history and the diversity of our constituent tribes puts our nation in a position of direct intercultural interactions and therefore direct relations with 8 of the 14 countries in Southern Africa. The geopolitical developments and global economic demand the use of our intercultural relations to spearhead and define our regional unity and cooperation. Mzambulo, for the longest of time, sasihlangana neNganyamba uKing Zwelithini. uKing Zwelithini wathi Mandonga nibuya nini nizothatha umhlaba wenu la kwaZulu. That in itself is economic incorporation. Ngoba umnotho usemhlabeni, unganomhlaba unako konke. Yiko ke umsebenzi lo besiyomenza yokwakho ubuhlobo nabakwaZulu was so important. That is why it's so important. Ngoba sasa you don't know what you'll gain by just supporting another king. Today Isilu Mrs. Zulu is fighting over his land. The argument yakhe is ilifa leli lakhe libhalwe ngaye kodwa akanamandla yo control ukuthi kwenzakalani ngalo seyicontrolwa ngumuntu ohlezi e-officeini e-16th floor somewhere is incorrect. Ngazwakalela ngoba nami ngihlezi nginkinga efanayo. Ngathi hayi ndoda asibamba lezala sibone ukuthi sizokwenza kanjani. Ngathi nami nawo amabutho ngizokuboleka. Ngizokuboleka sizoyilwa lento. Sizoyilwa sibambene ngezandla wavuma wabonga. Ngizama ukuthi mahlaba ezulu amahle kuqhakathekile ukuthi ungahlali nje ungumuntu ucela ngenye isikhathi uzosizwa ngosike nawe uzama ukusiza ngokuncane okunako. Qhakathekile ama events abo so attend. Akula need ya invite kukini lapha. Njengoba ukini eGoli, njengoba ukini eFree State, njengoba ukini eNorthwest, njengoba ukini eBulawayo eMatabeleland, njengoba ukini eBotswana, njengoba ukini ngisho even eMozambique naseZambia. Isizwe lesi sikhulu asikubonakalisa ukuthi sikhona siyaphila siyaphefumula. Mahlaba ezulu amahle. Over the last 4.5 decades, our people have risen to constitute a significant constituency of migrants across the Southern African region, especially here in South Africa. It is therefore incumbent upon us to try policy to protect migrants, discouraging adversive actions against migrants while encouraging reciprocal respect. At the same time, it's your father's house. We find a balance between abuser, hosting, and going and developing your own space. Dignity. And the emphasis on culture of Ubuntu and respect for human and cultural rights. Cultural identity and heritage. Over 100, for an example, monument sites, mountains, valley places, institutions across 8 countries in Southern Africa bear testimony and affirm shared history between Isizwe Kamtwakazi and other kingdoms. tribes and nations, recognizing as part of the broader Southern African historical continuum. We continue to build and strengthen and rebuild relations with kingdoms that our constituent tribes are derived from. We have embarked on a journey of reconciliation with others, strengthening the bonds between Insizwe Sikamthwakazi and some recent trips and engagements. I therefore make a clarion call towards harmonious coexistence and migration. Call for peace between locals and migrants, emphasizing that borders should not prevent cultural and economic unity. Le nhlonipho bengikhuluma ngayo yile ithi sinohluphe ekhaya kodwa umuntu angavala amasango okubuyela ekhaya. Insizwa lansizwa ayiyocela enduneni yayo umhlaba, occupy the land. Lana sizothatha nje ithuba ukuthi sikhokhe umoya siphefumule kodwa sazi ukuthi sinekhaya. Sinekhaya. Siphetheke kabi kodwa angeke sizixoshe ngokwethu. Mabasixosha basixoshayo kodwa thina angeke sizixoshe ngokwethu. Asiyeni siyokulima. Asibe nama projects e-irrigation esiwaranayo. Siyazi ukuthi amanzi ayinkinga ekhaya. Asibe nama projects esinosebenzisana ezisizwe makuvuselelo izimali ukuthiwa sisiphala senkosi singenze oma 2-3 months sikhathale ngoba egcineni when you need that service sekunzima uzobukheke kuphi ungakhange ulime. So asiqale nokulima silana eGoli. I10 rand yakho it goes far, believe me, because i10 rand yabantu abayi 1000 imali le yayi 1 billion. Ngizabe ukuthi sibaningi imali yakho can reach 1 billion when it's managed well. We've got a business la Khuzana, investment vehicle esayiqala about 1.5 years ago. There's now ngavula amafoni la in shock about how much money is in there. I think we're sitting at R1 million of repetitive is malel fagwayo, but if we can achieve R1 million and yini esihlulayo ukuthi siachieve R10 million for an example within 6 months. Ngoba abantu lapha in that group I think they are sitting at 180 people maling. Now if 180 people 180 people can achieve R1 million, isizwe sabantu abayi 11 million 14 million whatever the number basiqambela amanga ngayo ngoba mina ngibelieve ukuthi sesiko 20 30 40 million at this rate globally emkeso. Siyawazi ama-sensors asekhaya ahamba njani. So ngibhale lana ke land stewardship and development address the need banbakithi of land management, honoring ancestral heritage while fostering agricultural productivity and equity. Last year kuthengwe izinkomo from one of the millions ebezireyisiwe. I think actually to be exact we were looking at about 600,000 rand spent on ukuthenga izinkomo ukuthi ibe feed lot, fatten them 3 to 5 months, resell, make profit and so on. uNkulunkulu ke it does not always work on our ngathini program. Sometimes uyakufaka nje yakutholise kanzima ukubonisa ukuthi ukhona aphinda akukhiphe enkingeni. Kuye kwangena i-foot and mouth. Wangena i-drought. uNkulunkulu wonke lo uhamba la. Kodwa ngizanibonisa ukuthi waphinda wenzani within a short space of time for isizwe sakithi ukubonisa ukutshengisa nje ukuthi ukhona. Wathi ngizonibambisa la i-foot and mouth, ngimbambisa i-drought, ngimbambisa futhi i-shortage ye-feed for izinkomo so that nithole kanzima nje kancane nje for 2-3 months. Lo and behold amabhunu asasebenza nawo bathi no, you know what, because the price of inkomo has gone down, we are not, and on top of everything else they were feeding our cows and managing the entire project. But Khulekani will give you back your money ngalendlela benifake ngayo niphinde niinveste my imarket say right nango uNkulunkulu esebenza. Ngizama ukuthi ungabonikezela ngoba you are facing difficult. One thing engibonile ngesizwe sakithi ukuthi we are resilient people. kunengoma kaMandoza babumalenga ethi indoda ingahluleka namhlanje sasiphinde ivuke. Yiko ke engicelayo esizweni ukuthi sibekezele kodwa sibekezele sibe sizama futhi sizama singabantu abanye ndawonye sibumbana sitshengisana ukuthi singabantu abanye. Mina amandla wami ngiwadobha kini mangihamba lapha shayela ama tracksuit ama nice akunamuntu othi hayi ayonkosi kaMthwakazi leya no, but the minute ngithwala umqhele there's a change in how they view me, but ayonkosi ubulelani leya man lo kaMthwakazi uye lo amandla ke lawo ngiwathola kini. Imicimbi asihambeni sibonise izizwe ukuthi sikhona, we exist. Nayi brethren in Christ, umuntu on a Sunday akayeka ibhola abuye la azo support umfundisi kwi sermon, mhlawumbe uzothola iprayer obungazothi uzoyithola kuphi ezolungisa izinto zobomi bakho nawe just as an individual. Sibuye nini emicimbini ngabiza imbizo anginohlala ne 3,000 yabantu every year. Bekumele by now I'm sitting on 20,000-30,000. This year I'm prophesying ukuthi ngizoba nomcimbi ekhaya at the stadium. Angeke ngisokola ama number kodwa siyasazi isizwe sakithi sihlezi kuma millions and millions of people. Hamba nini nikhuliseni amabutho, hamba nini mfundisi nikhuliseni amabandla enu. Angifuni ukubuya la ngisonto liyi1 brethren ne1 ngifuna uvula another one eMidrand ngisebenze nawe sibonisana ukuthi sizoyifinance kanjani, kodwa it must always be part of the program esizwe ukuthi amasonto siwavule. Kodwa ngeke sikwenze when we don't support each other. Nawe sometimes sithi sinomcimbi mfundisi uthi hayi isonto uzoyishaya 1 hour ibe yi30 minutes akuba kukhulula abantu baye embizweni. Siyacela mntu omdala, siyacela asibambaleni sibenzaneni. Right, economic empowerment and poverty eradication. We must focus on tackling the unemployment and poverty through sustainable development, localized solutions, particularly focusing on the welfare of youth and women. Ke ngaxabana namabutho la. Ngiyakunxebela indlebe ke mfundisi ezubaba wami la. Ungabatsheli. Ngeke ngaxabana engalwisana namabutho la bathi kodwa isiko livuma ukuthi omama babuse ngalendlela babusa ngayo ngoba mandulo bakengekho njalo. Bathi mina madoda ngiyakuzwa lokho nikukhulumayo. But in every strategy there's a thing called a means to an end. Sometimes awazi ukuthi ingulube yanoniswa yini. Uzama amacebo alisiza. I-commission yamakhosi eGauteng province that was held in 2023. Yathi bonke abantu afuna izizwe ezifisa uku-identifywa under the South African Constitution as abantu abaphilayo abaphefumulayo abakhoyo in this country. Fuze benzeni basubmit ama-applications. Now there were a lot of questions and prerequisites to qualify. Futhi if nifuna uma nenkosi eMzansi or a traditional leader rather eMzansi as that constituency, fuze niprove ukuthi ikhona la leader iyaphefumula iyasebenza umsebenzi wabantu. Nani ningabantu abakhoyo somewhere abakhombekayo ukuthi naba. Right? So one of the prerequisites in that, we had to list ukuthi percentage, I think it was about 40% if I'm not mistaken, of female leadership within our structures zokubusa. If you fail to reach that quota, then you fail isubmission yakho. Ngoba ilizwe lithi omama baqhakathekile nabo. Manje ke sengilwisana namadoda engisebenza nawo ukuthi hayi kwakungenziwa njalo ngokhokho. Hawu kanti kubusa ukhokho ukubusa ubulelani, which one is it? Decide. Decide. Hayi kabi mzilikazi khokho wami kodwa umdladla uthe sekulenkosi ngiyambelieve mina ngazi ngabanye. Siyabonga Mkhezo. Ngizama ukuthi uqhakathekile ukuthi senze izinto sithi besicele ukubuswa sesibuswa masibuseke. Ngesikhiwa bathi subjectify yourself for leadership in order to be led well. Ngoba ungacela ukuthi sicela inkosi then ithole inkosi then anisalalele inkosi kanti benifunani? Kanti besifunani? So subjectify yourself to that leadership so that that leader can lead well. Akwenzelele izinto ufisa umthuma zona ezizweni. Yeah, so angifuna ukukhuluma the whole day. Ngifisa nje ukhuza ukuthize. Mahlabe Zulu. Isimo siyasazi isimo esiphethe ngasekhaya. We know the situation lana eMzansi. We know we have become abantu abangama undesirables kodwa singaba lana. Sometimes kufuze uzithobe ngumuntu. Ngifuna ukukhuluma nge-social media. I-social media seyixake kakhulu. Ngoba abantu I think i-technology isheshe ya progress asingeka hlale phansi sibonisaneni ukuthi imbeko i-etiquette yokuphilisana in social media kufuze ihambe njani. Simple example, ngaphuma la ngihlangane ne-stranger ngithi hey wena usiphukuphuku. I think I know the result of that discussion ukuthi izophelela kuphi. Kuzokhala isibhakela. Now we go to social media sicabanga ukuthi akusasebenzi khonokho. Ukuthi singakhuluma nje amanga sikhulume nje izinto ezingekho ezingalunganga ngabantu esingabaziyo esingaziyo ukuthi futhi badlani ingane zabo zidlani kodwa siyakhuluma okungane we have facts. Etiquette asenayo indlela yokuphilisana on social media which is a serious platform. Unabantu abakhuluma into ezinkulu ngami umuntu zange wangibona akaze ngisho abangani bami but uyakubalisela a story esingekhoyo. And what they fail to understand is that there's a reputational damage that you do ebumeni bomuntu. Sithi siphuma la for an example insizwa lazishadile uphume usithi yesontweni ube nomuntu othatha an old video yakho maybe usemashwaleni athi no uqamba manga lo akwasesontweni ayisende kumfazi wakho. Whether your wife believes it or not, the reputational damage in questioning will occur in your household. Sehlukumeza umuzi wakho umuntu engakwazi. Now we are facing a bigger issue ngoba abantu bakithi sebelwisana nabantu baseMzansi. Sesinama comments ekungamelanga siyawakhuluma publicly. Even though you may be right sometimes on the issue. Ezinye izinto akufuzanga senze njani sizikhulume ngoba ziyalwisa. Umuntu somnikeza igunya lokho abuser ngoba so uphendlene naye. It's not about you wena ungumuntu oyi-one. It's about a society and a group of people ababambeneyo which is us that inevitably akuzukhonjwa wena ngoba waziwa wena kuzokhonjwa ubulelano kuzokhonjwa umkheswa kuzokhonjwa umfundisi. Ngoba kuzothiwa ngabantu bakho lapha. Nawo mahlona ami azothini? Kukhulunywa ngecrime kuthiwa ngabantu bami. Kukhulunywa everything is negative nje lana. And a lot of the times I can't defend ngoba ngiyababona abantu bami bezenza lezi zinto. Asikhuza nini thina? Na indoda engihloniphayo mina on social media I waste isikhathi. In fact I think manje ngilane wami on social media. Uthi umuntu ekhuluma nje into ebheke ecaleni is there is addressing it futhi ngenhlonipho but and is very clear and decisive on his responses. That causes me to be excited ke ngithi ngivuka kusasa ngithi I want to defend him too. Akunamuntu onantshela lutho ngomalinga mina. Abangazi lapha I'm okay. I can hold my own. So ngizama ukuthi ngiyafisa ulwela wonke umuntu kodwa kunzima ulwela umuntu ongakhona ukuzilwela yena self. Ongenza izinto ngendlela nangohlelo. Mfundisi ngizoyinikeza kuwe ngithatha isikhathi sakho esiningi lana. Kodwa ngifuna nje ukubonga ukuthi wonke umuntu amukelekile emzini kaThixo kodwa emzini wakho wena Ncebo yenkosi nengane lezi, all the children that are here are all our children noma umazi ngegama kodwa if ungumthwakazi if umona ngesenza something la estrateni seyingane yakho and your problem go and address it with umzali wakhe mawumbona ngamachithi ethu ichithi yethu fuze sibavikele sibakhusele ngazo zonke indlela kunokunye bengifisa ukukhuza ngike ngizwe ngama leaders amaguqa namachithi ukuthi benza izinto lengane engamelanga bayazenza. We know what we are talking about. Abazali are giving these children to us because we are supposed to be instilling in discipline, ethics and care and love as if singabazali babo. Akufuzanga kube nengane ebuyayo iseyimithi kodwa beye kwiCambian yamachichi. I don't understand that the science, that technology. Ikwenze kanjani? Sifundisa ingane ukuthi stay away from drugs, stay away from this and that. And then wathina sibakhokhela sibafake in situations that where they are not protected. Lihlazo. Ngiyacela ke badala ukuthi anybody that has a sense of a child that is in a difficult situation, do not fear to report and trust us as the office yesizwe and yenkosi ukuthi will deal with it. So sesingenelele sisitha kakhulu ama programs and groupings zethu. Let's hold the fort, let's pull together. Egama likathi malosolungileyo kosonofefe siyabonga. Badala ngikhohlwa nje eyogcina I-prayer point. Mfundisi ngiyaxolisa ngiyaphinda ngithatha isikhathi sakho la. It's just one point. Sengithole anti niyazi ukuthi kune case ebebengimophise ngayo ekhaya. Ubaba simbiza uZwide Kalanga. Uyivusele icase yakhona. Iyahlala ngoJuly, mid-July, I think 18 or 19 or 20, yeah? 20, yeah. Sika July. Angeke ngikamamanga mfundisi. Sometimes isitha siphume endlini. Siphume ngaphandle. Siqhame ngaphandle, siqhame endlini. Mina I am always of the belief that singahlala phansi sixoxe singabantu. For 8 years, mfundisi, we have tried to beg, negotiate, pray about it. Ukuthi le nto iphume ema court sihlaleni phansi sixoxe silungise sisombululo singamantungu isohlulile. So ngizocela usinikeza ama-powers of discernment in a tough time. Mfundisi uthi uThixo asivezele indlela yokusombulula le nkinga le ngoba it's a very big problem. Seyidile okuningi ngomuntu omunye. One individual is holding us at ransom. That is the fact and that is the truth. Logo sipota singakhuluma iqiniso all these years, but the time has come ukuthi at least in the house of the Lord sibe neqiniso, sibe ngabantu beqiniso. Siyacela ke mfundisi uyifake enhliziyweni, uyifake ekhanda, uyifake emthandazweni leni ndaba ngoba isikhathi sesifikile ukuthi siyolwela isizwe sethu. Siyabonga baba.